Om Amriteshwari Namah, Om Namah Shivaya. I, Science Chakraborty of class 12 science is going to explain a topic on embryonic development and pregnancy. So at first we have to know that when the blastocysts become embedded in the endometrium of the uterus, it is known as implantation. Now after implantation, the chorionic belly appears on the after implantation, the finger-like projection appear on the trophoblast, which is known as chorionic belly, which is surrounded by the uterine tissue and maternal blood. Now we have to know that the chorionic belly and the uterine tissue become interdigitated with each other and jointly form a structural and functional unit between developing embryo and the maternal body, which is known as the placenta. The placenta supply the oxygen, nutrients to the embryo and also the removal of carbon dioxide and excretory waste material produced by the embryo. Now, the placenta is connected to the embryo through an umbilical cord which helps in the transport of substance to and from the embryo. Placenta also acts as an endocrine tissue and produces several hormones like human chorionic gonadotropin, human placental lactogen, which is known as HPL, estrogen, progesterone, etc. In the later phase of pregnancy, a hormone called relaxin is also secreted in the ovary, which is a very important hormone. In addition, during pregnancy, the levels of other hormones like estrogen, progesterone, prolactin, thyroxine, etc. are increased severally fold in the maternal blood. Now, the function of the placental hormone is that it is essential for supporting the fetal growth, metabolic changes in the mother and maintenance of the pregnancy. The embryo develops into an outer layer called ectoderm and an inner layer which is known as endoderm. Soon, a middle layer mesoderm appears between the ectoderm and the endoderm. Now, these three layers give rise to all the tissue which is also known as stem. Now, I am going to tell that how the embryo develops within the 9 months. Develops its heart. Within the second month, the fetus develops its limbs and digit. Within the third month, the major organ system, lips and external genital are developed. Within the fifth month, hair on head and movements we can see. Within the sixth month, the body hair, eyelids and eyelashes appear, and within the ninth month, the fetus is fully developed and is ready to out from the mother's body. Thank you, Om Namah Shivaya, and have a nice day.